Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to install Windows 11 24H2. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install or update Windows 11 24H2 version, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. In Google, you have to type download Windows 11 24H2. After that, you have to select this first option, download Windows 11. Just click on this. Here you can see the current release Windows 11 2024 update version is 24H2. Here you can see the first option is Windows 11 installation assistant. You can just download and run this installation assistant. It is not a complete software, it is just installation assistant which is of 4 MB. You have to just install it and it will update online. And the second method is you can just download the installation media. Just click on download. Then click to run this file. Click on yes. It will take some time. You have to connect your pen drive. It will create a bootable flash drive. You don't require any other software to create a bootable drive. It will create automatically. Click on accept. Select the language. You can see language and edition, which is selected as default. Just leave it this as it is. Use the recommended option for this PC. Then click on next. You can see you want to create a bootable pen drive. You can select this first option. If you want to download the ISO file, you can select the second option. If you creating the bootable pen drive, it should be at least of 8 GB. Just select the first option, then click on next, and it will take some time and your bootable pen drive will be ready. And you have to make sure that you have backup whatever data on your pen drive, because it will delete all your data on your pen drive. And the third option is you can download the ISO file from here. Click on this, select download, then select Windows 11 Multi Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Click on this, then click on download. That's it guys. So in this way you can install Windows 11 24H2 version. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.